Question number 37. So three products of radioactive decay are alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma particles. Now alpha particles, what is this alpha particle? It has two protons and two neutrons. Beta particles, it has one electron and zero neutron. Gamma particles, it has no proton or no electron, no neutron or no neutron. Which products can be deflected by both magnetic and electric fields? So definitely electric fields get influenced only because of charges. So both of them will definitely get influenced by the electric field. Magnetic fields also the same thing happens. As you know, the magnetic force is given by Q, V, B sine theta. As you see here, charge particle, if it is at rest, it never gets influenced, or so it should be moving, and secondly, it should have a charge over. So therefore, if either of them is zero, the force acting on the particle is zero. In other words, it does not get influenced. So therefore, it will get deflected only by 1 and 2. Gamma photons will not get deflected. Thus, the right answer should be A. So which is 1 and 2.